Gates open, they're up and racing. Chelsea draws 40 and moving up now is Sharp. As ever, rushing up now on the outside now is Purple Heart to take the lead. It's now Purple Heart now takes the lead over Sharp as ever. Jalapeno now trying to get closer in third. Then comes Chelsea. Big Boy Vito now moving up on the outside. And comes Panama King Mr. Enrico. Second last Princess Teen and Fire Gypsy, who's now in behind them. And inside the last 600. Purple Heart, this time by about 2 lengths. Then here comes Sharp as ever now for the outside and running in third. Steady Jalapeno. Moving up now is Big Boy Vito as they turn for home. Purple Heart, Sharp as ever now for the outside. Jalapeno in third, running in fourth. Big Boy Vito. It's now Sharp as ever now takes the lead over Purple Heart. Sharp as ever this time by about 2 lengths over Purple Heart. And nearing the finish line, the icebreaker, Sharp as ever. Purple Heart, number 6, Big Boy Vito, Mr. Enrico Jalapeno.
Okay, 74625, order of arrival para sa race. 74685. Order of arrival para sa race